everyone, welcome to 1K Yellowdiamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is. Okay, you guys, you can tell by the title, I am going to make the perfect golden, crispy fried chicken. And you only need 7 ingredients. Bow, bow, bow. Yes, that might sound like a little, and it might sound like a lot, but I'm going to show you today how to do it. So let's get to cooking. Okay, of course you will need some nice, good, clean chicken. We doing chicken wings. You will need some flour, some cornstarch, diamond dust, mustard, and oil. Yes! These are whole chicken wings. And we're going to first start off with some mustard. A squirt. I would say about 2 tablespoons of mustard. And diamond dust. And we're just gonna make sure every piece of chicken get that mustard and diamond dust on it. Okay, nice and coated. Right? Now we're gonna let this sit to the side, kind of like marinate for about 30 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, next in a clean bag, we're gonna put some flour. About 2 cups of flour. Soda. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And some diamond dust. Okay, we have that all incorporated. And now it's time to batter up the chicken. So you want a rack, get a nice rack. And here's the flour, here's the chicken. Over here. We're gonna do 4 at a time. Ooh. Get those chicken wings coated. Okay. Ooh, let's see the goodies. That flour off. And we're gonna sit this rack to the side, let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna fry it up. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, here is the golden crispy fried chicken. Let's try it.